local and international remittances.
Lahat ng bills payment mo.
5 to 6% interest on your savings account.
Discounts and promos per transaction.
Income sa bawat personal transactions mo.
May personal referral code ka pa to share sa lahat ng kapamilya, kaibigan at kakilala.
Yes! Sa bawat cash-in, transfers at bills payment ng mga kakilala mo, may share ka sa lahat ng transactional fees.
Grabe! You can get all of those benefits when you do the Vivo Premium Tech Upgrade for a published rate of 2,999 pesos only. Registered distributor's rate of 1,999 pesos only.
At dahil this 2023, we are celebrating our 17 years of resilience.
Magpa-Vivo na!
Vivo! 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 Vivo!